All right, let's just jump right back into this right now. All right, Forbidden Fruit by Aromatics. Look at the dent. You can see it puts in work. Look at the dent. All right, now this is a summertime banger. I don't care if it's summer 2026, summer 2046. It's going to bang. All right, you can make it year round if you want, but definitely in the summer, this is a staple. If I need to give you a designer comparison for your mind, let's go with BDK Rouge Smoking. Okay, but again, for this, the dry down, the first of all, let me show you atomizer. That is, oh man, that is wonderful. Yes, the dry down is where this changes everything. Performance, walk by air, all that is great. Something you're accustomed with aromatic fragrances. But the dry down on this, oh, the dry down. You need this. Stop playing. You need it. All right, go check it out.